Let us once again discuss about series and parallel connection. There are three capacitors connected in series, same capacitor connected in parallel. This is C, this is C, this is C, and this is C, C, C. For series, already series C equivalent we have to find out 1 by C equivalent is equal to 1 by C, C1 is equal to C plus 1 by C plus 1 by C is equal to 3 into 1 by C. Therefore, C equivalent is equal to C by 3. In general, if there are n capacitors, then C equivalent is equal to C by n, where C stands for one single capacitor. Any one of these all are identical. It is applicable for only for identical. If there are 4 capacitors, then this will be C by 4. If for 5, C by 5. If there are n, C by n. For series, we have seen for series. For parallel, for 3 capacitors, C equivalent is equal to C1 plus C2 plus C3 is equal to 3 into C. So, C equivalent is equal to number of capacitors into single capacitors. In general, C equivalent is equal to N into C. This is very handy and simple calculation as far as the capacitor is concerned. 10 capacitors C, 2C, 3C, 4C up to 10C are connected in parallel. It means 10 capacitors, 1, 2, up to the last one is 10C, C, 2C, 3C, 4C, 5C are connected in parallel. Find the equivalent capacitance. The equivalent capacitance for parallel connection, this is not equivalent capacitor. This is T to C, both are not equivalent. So we cannot use the formula N into C. So C equivalent, we have to add all these things. That is C plus 2C plus 3C plus up to 10C, which is equal to C into 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus up to 10. See, in mathematics simple series we must have studied. If there are n terms, if there are n terms, see 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5, 4 plus 5 plus up to n terms are there, the n is the last term, then the sum is equal to last term into last term plus 1 divided by 2. So here C equivalent is equal to C into first term. Nth term is 10 into n plus 1 term. N plus 1 means 10 plus 1 divided by 2. This is the summation of the series. So for the series summation, so is equal to C into 10 plus 11 divided by 2. So N equivalent, C equivalent is equal to, this is equal to 55C. That is equal to 55C. 10 capacitors C, 2C, sorry, not 10 capacitors C, 2C, 4C, 8C up to infinite number of capacitors are connected in series. Find the equivalent capacitance. So it means first one is C, second one is C, second one is 2C, and third capacitor is 4C, and fourth capacitor is 8C. Up to infinite number of capacitors are connected in series. Okay, now we can say find the equivalent capacitor. Since it is connected in series, 1 by C equivalent is equal to 1 by C plus 1 by 2C plus 1 by 4C plus 1 by 8C up to infinite number. See, all the capacitors are not identical, so we have to use this formula of series for series. So 1 by C equivalent is equal to, if you take 1 by C out, this will become 1 plus half plus 1 by 4, 2 square, or 1 by, we can keep it as 1 by 4 plus 1 by 8 plus this forms and GP series, infinite GP series, because it is up to infinite. GP series, sum of infinite terms. So here it has got infinite number of terms is equal to, sum of infinite terms is equal to, S is equal to 1 by A minus R. This is 1 by A minus R, where A is equal to first term, A is equal to first term, is equal to, first term is 1, this is the first term, and last term, and R is equal to common ratio. Common ratio, this divided by this is a common ratio, this divided by this is a common ratio, this by divide this one is equal to common ratio. Common ratio will be same for GP series. Let us take this two. So common ratio is equal to 1 by 8 divided by 1 by 4 is equal to 4 by 8 is equal to half. Therefore R is equal to half. Therefore let us take the sum of this one. 1 by C equivalent is equal to 1 by C into 1 divided by A. 1 divided by A is equal to 1 minus R is equal to half is equal to 1 minus a half. So 1 by C into half will become 2 by 1. Therefore C equivalent is equal to 1 by C equal, that is 1 by 1 divided by half is equal to 2 divided by C, which is equal to 1 by C equivalent. So our C equivalent is equal to, reverse it, C by 2. So this is the equivalent capacitor for for infinite number of capacitors of this value connected in series.